Amazon Prime Day is here, and while everyone debates the best deals on tech and home finds, one category that consistently delivers major savings is beauty.
Yeah, from skincare favorites to viral beauty tech, some of the biggest discounts are happening right now. Beauty and trend expert Mickey Williams stopped by to share standout products you won't want to miss. It's like Christmas. It's my favorite time of year. Amazon Prime Days.
I know, and it's true. Like, there's so many things that you can like argue that there really aren't that big of a deal. But when it comes to beauty, there are some really good deals.
Stock up.
I know.
What do we got?
First off, I'm obsessed. My sister's obsessed with this product, AESTURA. It's a #1 dermatologist-recommended brand for sensitive skin in Korea. It really has just kind of, catapulted K-beauty in our market.
Yeah.
But what's so crazy right now is most products are 25% off starting today. Yeah. And their ATOBARRIER365 Cream is just an incredible cream. Let me tell you something. I have gotten so many I'm a makeup artist, so, so many of my people are hooked on this product. But my sister has eczema. Oh. And this is the only moisturizer that she can use, and she swears by it.
Okay.
It's unbelievable. And what they do is it's got 120 hours of hydration built into that formula. I'm going to put some on right now.
I hope you shower before,
It's really, and I just love it because the formulas are really focused to align closely with the needs of eczema-prone skin.
Yeah.
They actually just got they've had the NELC seal of acceptance, which is the eczema, awareness. I love it so much. But it's really incredible. The ATOBARRIER line, they have 3 different things. This mist is such...
I love this mist. I keep it in my closet because before I put my perfume on, I mist my chest again, so I don't forget to.
Yep, I do a lot of kind of like lymphatic drainage, and I put that all over the skin, and then I use the brushes to pull everything out. It creates such a dew, and mists are everything right now. But I love these pads too, especially for anybody who has eczema. But listen, this is not just a line for eczema. This is just an incredibly hydrating brand. But these pads are great if you have any redness or inflammation. Right now, it's up to 25% off, so get on it. Go.
Fantastic. All right, then a staple, right?
Yeah, this is the one I use. I love it, and it's $10.99 right now.
Oh my gosh.
This is a huge container. This is Cetaphil's daily facial cleanser. Come on. I mean, you can't beat it. Right now, it's more than 18% off. Really gently removes dirt, oil, and any kind of impurities without stripping the skin. It really maintains that skin barrier. I love this product too because it's one of those products that my son can use, I can use. It's just really, really incredibly great products. Again, for sensitive skin, so you can use it on anyone. $10.99 right now.
Yeah, stock up. Ooh,
okay,
what's
this is so fun. Okay, so I know you know Babo because I bring all of the products from Babo for. Honestly, my son can't. That's the only thing that gets a chlorine out of his hair. This isn't even that. They have the most amazing shampoos. They have this incredible award-winning sun care line. This is brand new.
Okay.
This is their Babo Botanicals. This is their Hydrating Milk Mineral Sunscreen. This is SPF 30. Look at this product. It's beautiful. Brand new Hydrating Milk SPF.
Oh,
again, it's just incredible. Soup, never greasy.
Yeah, you don't get that mineral film sometimes.
Use it on your family.
Yeah.
The reason why it's called Babo is because it was the name of her son's teddy bear.
Aww.
So it's really a clean, beautiful product, mineral skin, EWG certified, really kind of has this reverse emulsion technology, which really just helps it, just incredible product, 16 plant-based ingredients in there. Beautiful sunscreen that works and is 30% off right now, so you can't beat that.
Okay. Ooh, curls.
Dippity Do, baby.
Yes.
I love this so much. Basically, all girls with curls. This is Dippity Do Curls Collection. All girls with curls are 30% off right now. The brand is celebrating their 60th.
It's like they've been around for a hot second.
60 years of curl expertise. They have that iconic brand that's really high quality, performance driven, accessible to everyone, which I love because the price point's great. Well, right now it's 30% off too. They have their light hold jelly. They have this incredible curl enhancing mousse. Everything is built to kind of resist frizz. This one, they have their coconut formula, infused formula that is really great for hydrating. Just incredible products. There's something for a little bit of every single type of curl, and up to 30% off. You really can't beat it.
Back in the day, they were the only ones really that were protecting curls.
You always had Dippity Do. Even if you had straight hair, you had Dippity Do in there because it worked. It held hair in place and frizz. I grew up in Florida, so I'm very aware of this product.
Absolutely. Well, what's this?
Okay, so we all love our Laurel Geller.
I recently became obsessed with Laurel Geller.
We were talking about how amazing the products are for mature skin and how they really are driven that way. And she is such an OG. She has created products that really and truly speak and they work, right? So if she's creating something, you're going to be on it. This is her Laura Geller Root Touch-Up hair and brow concealing cream.
Oh, for brow too.
And powder. This is a concealing cream. So if you think about somebody, you've seen a ton of root touch-ups out there, right? Of course, she's going to do a little bit different, and it's going to be incredible, okay? It's launching today, 30% off. This is brand new.
Wow.
2 beauty essentials in one. You see right here, I want to show you the lid. You have a little bit of powder. It's dual-sided cream and powder. It instantly covers grays, fills sparse hairlines, and enhances brows for a fuller looking brow. It's unbelievable. You have 2 different sides there.
Look at that.
I know.
Oh, the cream, I see.
How amazing is this adapter?
So is the cream for your eyebrows?
It's for everything. It's for your roots. It's for everything. It is such, I mean, listen, as a makeup artist, this is so ideal for male clients, female clients. It really does just incredibly bond with the hair.
Yeah. And
it fills in that sparse
easy
hairline.
application with this.
So easy.
Like,
of course. Laura Geller is going to think of the easiest way to do it. Just launched today.
That's amazing.
And it's 30% off. I'm absolutely obsessed with these. They come in a different range of colors, so you can pick what's right for you. Again, absolutely incredible. And I'm going to tell you something which is really, really cool about this product. It stays. There she goes.
I was like, because it's not a lot of these that falls off and you get it everywhere.
Or you spray and it's everywhere.
Yes, yes.
This is it's so precision based. I absolutely love it. And what's great about it too is it really and truly, like if you want, you can go ahead and swipe your brow. You know, as we age, if you will, I mean, not that, you know, we're old, but, and I'm grateful for aging.
Right.
Grays come in the weirdest places.
Yes.
And so this is just great. I actually love the applicator. If you want to go and get like a mascara spool, you can swipe it across there and do your brow too.
It's these little guys right here on the side that's really close to your face that they're really hard to get.
And when you try to spray it, you spray your whole face.
Right.
This is so targeted, so beautiful. I absolutely love it.
That's fun.
One side's cream, one side's powder, 30% off today and launched today. So that's amazing.
Okay.
All right.
What's this? At first I thought it was a radio.
I know, right? It's so very, very cool. Okay, this is the Laifen. Okay, first of all, can we just talk about this brand? This brand is insane. They get hair dryers, you know, toothbrushes, electronic toothbrushes. Laifen is such a smart, they call it the iPhone of, you know, kind of brands because of their so smart technology and the way that they're presented. This is their P3 Pro Electric Shaver. Okay, this thing is normally, it's such an incredible product for anything. It's got, I'll tell you all about the specifics later, but let me just tell you about the sale. Okay. It's normally $179. Right now it's $108. It's 40% off. Wow. That's huge. You don't see this. That's the travel case. It's compact. So great. World's first dual drive linear motion. It delivers 12,000 cuts. It's unbelievable. Like when you're doing it, just boom, boom, boom.
Is it for men and women?
Yes.
Oh.
I mean, girl, I have used it on my legs. I've used it on my face. I mean, it's a great, great gift. It's really beautifully sleek and beautiful. It's just it's so good for coarse hair and that stubborn beard. CNC certified aerospace aluminum. Really, it's just beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. But I also love that it has this real-time power shut-off to where, like, power adjusting, not shut-off, power adjusting. So, like, when you go up against the coarser hair, it knows to switch the motor. It's very, very smart. Like I said, they're kind of like the smartest technology. Right now, they're having such a huge sale on Amazon.
40% off, that's amazing.
This is 40% off. They have the most amazing hair dryers. They have great electric toothbrushes. Laifen is one of those brands that I, like, anytime I see a sale, I'm like, what do I need?
Right, pick it up.
But right now, this was, I couldn't believe it was 40% off. And again, it has a travel mode to it. It's where you can put it in travel.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's so great, and it's just so great.
It's so little.
It's so little, but it fits in the palm of your hand to make it a little, I mean, not that I'm shaving my face, but I do shave other areas.
I shave my face
too. And I don't know what I'm talking about. But I love it. I love a good sale, and these are truly some of the sales where you want to stock up.
These are fantastic, Mickey. Thank you.
Thank you.
I love a good sale, too.
I did my purchases already.